Hi, let's check out the TY Black Crystal Ball Wi-Fi security camera. Open the box. The main camera unit, USB cable, power adapter, reset pin, user menu, quick guide, and the micro SD card reader. Let's see the main unit. Here is the main unit. The camera lens in the product is super invisible. We can hardly find any lens. And this device is without battery, but powered by a Type-C port. We can open the cap. Then we will see the camera lens, two invisible light visual LEDs, and the light sensor. For this unit, the camera can be rotated 330 degrees. For the up and down, it can be 90 degrees. This all can be controlled by the app. And the reset key is here, micro SD card. Yeah, so that's it. And when we put on the cap, it is super invisible.